Hey gang, this is the plumber, the gentleman who's up a little bit further ahead next to this Frontier pickup truck. As soon as the car passes to my rear here, I'm going to go ahead and pull up and just do a quick video. So this is the gentleman I see every night, and he's just hanging out. He's got his stuff and he's got his house here. That's the plumber. I call him the plumber because the first time I saw him, his crack was hanging out. He was over at Worship Walk Church. Fortunately, that's it. I didn't find anybody else here today. I'm gonna go make a loop around the Whitnall Highway Park and just see if there's anybody there.